Welcome to back my channel. The new Honda Civic New Series is here, and it's clear Honda isn't just updating a car, they're refining a legacy. From the moment you look at it, the design feels sharper, lower, and more confident. The sleek LED headlights, the sculpted body lines, and the sporty stance all work together to make this Civic look more premium than ever. It feels modern, but still instantly recognizable. Step inside and the cabin hits you with a perfect mix of simplicity and tech. The dashboard layout is clean, the materials feel refined, and the digital displays are crisp and easy to read. The touchscreen infotainment system is responsive, supports all the usual connectivity features, and the overall interior layout gives you a sense of space and comfort, even on longer drives. Under the hood, the Civic continues to offer a punchy yet efficient driving experience. The 1.5-liter turbo engine delivers smooth acceleration, great throttle response, and impressive fuel efficiency. Paired with a refined CVT transmission, it keeps the drive quiet and effortless whether you're in city traffic or cruising on the highway. For people who enjoy a touch of sportiness, the steering is sharp, the suspension is balanced, and the Civic remains one of the best handling cars in its class. Safety is another strong point. With multiple airbags, stability assist, hill start assist, and Honda's advanced safety tech available in higher trims, the Civic makes you feel secure and in control. It's built for families, commuters, and anyone who values peace of mind on the road. Practicality hasn't been ignored either. The trunk space is generous, the seats are comfortable, and the fuel economy makes it a solid daily driver choice. Whether you're a student, a small family, or someone who drives long distances, the Civic fits into almost any lifestyle. What really sets the Honda Civic New Series apart is how well it blends style, comfort, performance, and reliability. It's a car that looks great, drives great, and keeps running without drama. And that combination is exactly why the Civic continues to be a favorite around the world.